My name is Kim Yong. Every day begins before the noise. At home, I push against the floor, reminding my body to wake up before the world does. Outside, I jog through quiet streets, breathing in discipline, one step at a time. In the gym, I scrunch, strain, and focus, because strength is built when no one is watching. Back home, I reset. I dress for the office, not just to look ready, but to be ready. Behind the wheel, the city moves and my mind sharpens. By the time I sit at my desk, the work has already begun. This is not just fitness. This is how I live.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. I'm Jane, and today we want to look at another interesting topic. If this platform has been of great help, do like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Let's now join in class with our very own instructor for today's training.
Hello and welcome back to Bright Edge Media channel, and it's always a pleasure to come with something good to share with you. And I want to quickly use this medium to say compliment of the season and Happy New Year in advance. And I want to use this medium to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting us in one way or the other by liking, subscribing, and also sharing what we bring across your way. And if you have not been doing so, please ensure you encourage us each time you stumble at our tutorials. And today we have something important that we can't wait to share with you. So I want you to stick with me all through to the end of this training, all right? And I promise you that you wouldn't regret your time. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the business of today. So see you right away in class. All right, welcome back to Bright Edge Media channel. Like I said, that we want to look at something vital today, and I can't just wait any longer to be able to share that with you. And today we want to look at how to create an AI avatar fitness vlog using some AI models. All right, so before we can be able to do the following, before we can do that, you need to note this following in mind. One is that you must have your short story idea. Okay, that is the idea of what you want to do. Okay, the idea of the project you want to create, you must have that at the back of your mind. And like I always say, it's not you just having it at the back of your mind, but penning it down. Have that story written down. And then the second thing is that you must have the story build up. Okay, aside the fact that you have the idea of what you want, have it written down, then you should be able to build it up using your chatbot. Okay, like we know GPT to be a popular chatbot for us that we are so familiar with, and we can always reach at the tip of our fingers. Okay, so you go to ChatGPT and share your ideas with ChatGPT. All right, and then from there you can start to build up your story. And then the third thing you must bear in mind is that you must have an image generator. Okay, I believe by now you should have that image generator that you are so used to because of the quality in image generation. So have the image generator that you want to use to generate your images. And then the fourth one is that you must have your image to video conversion. Okay, image to video conversion. And then the last one is putting everything together and have what we call video editing. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's just dive in. Here we're going to use this example, all right, to show how we can be able to do something like that. Okay, here I have one that we can use, okay, in today's class. And it says, write me a short vlog about a Brazilian female fitness body muscles, beautiful black ponytail hair, average height. Okay, so write me a short vlog about a Brazilian female fitness woman in her 30s. Her wardrobe is complete gym kits or wears. Her life log includes a home, street workout, gym, back home for meals at the mailbox, sitting with a laptop in her study, cooking and preparing breakfast. The breakfast should be pancake with breakfast tea, and then freshen up, dressing up for the office. Then a wardrobe or our office dress must be a black official dress with black office shoes, and then eating, checking into a car, riding to the office, walking in at the office, seated and commencing the day at the office. So this is just the summary of the idea of what I have, and then I hit generate on ChatGPT. That is the chatbot that we'll be using. So ChatGPT went ahead and gave me drafted out my idea into a kind of script. Okay, so and after that is done, then I went ahead to tell ChatGPT to put this short vlog about my character into 10 scenes. Okay, I said, can you put the short vlog about her into 10 scenes? And then if you notice that at the beginning I never give a name to that my character. All right, that my female fitness lady, I never give it a name. And in my idea I said is she's going to be a Brazilian female fitness lady or woman. Okay, so I now said her name should be Raquel Alberto. Okay, so that is what I then told ChatGPT later on, and ChatGPT went ahead and lock in the name of the female fitness that I want to write the short vlog about as Raquel Alberto, and then ChatGPT then puts that into 10 scenes for me. All right, so we have scene 1, morning at home; scene 2, street workouts; scene 3, gym sessions; scene 4, back home and stroke mailbox; scene 5, study time; scene 6, cooking breakfast; scene 7, freshen up; scene 8, dressing for the office; scene 9, commute; and scene 10, office arrival. All right, so that is what ChatGPT has been able to break down into 10 scenes using the short script it's been able to summarize for me. And then I went ahead to say, can you give me image text prompt for the short vlog of Raquel Alberto? Each text prompt for each scene. Landscape is the aspect ratio. There should be DSLR quality for each scene's text prompt, and character image consistency all through the project. Okay, so that's what I told ChatGPT, and then it went ahead and summarize and gave each of my scenes a text prompt, okay, to generate my character, my female fitness character. All right, which is Raquel Alberto. All right, so I have a description character for Raquel Alberto first, and then for each scene ChatGPT gave me a text prompt for each scene. So for morning at home, it gave me a text prompt for it of Raquel Alberto, and then it went to scene 2, scene 3, all through to 10 scenes. So with what I have now, I can go ahead and generate my image for each scenes using this text prompts that ChatGPT has constructed for us. So with this, we can now go ahead and generate our images. So you see how this is building up. We started with an idea, okay, and then we went ahead to build up this idea into something very, very creative, okay. And then we went ahead to ask for ChatGPT to give us text prompts for each of these scenes that we have for this project, okay. And then ChatGPT went ahead and gave us text prompts that we can use to generate image for each of these scenes. All right, so what we're going to do now is to go ahead and generate our images using each text prompt given to us by ChatGPT for each scene. All right, so I'll quickly go ahead. Let's go ahead quickly and do our image generation for each scene. And remember, we said that we want there to be character consistency. Okay, that there will be image character consistency for each of the scenes. That means we don't have a situation whereby in scene 1 the image is looking different, and scene 2 the image is looking different. Okay, we want to have a character consistency all through the 10 scenes, okay, for this project. So let's go ahead and generate image for each image of each scene. All right, so stick with me, don't go away. All right, welcome back. If you're still with me, like I said before, that we needed to go and generate all our images for Requel Alberto, okay, with those text prompts that ChatGPT gave us for each of the scenes. But don't let me quickly say this, that if you want to do this job, you need to make sure that you are very detailed about what you want, so that at the end of the day you are getting 100% of what you want for this project. Okay, so remember that we are doing a vlog for YouTube content creation and video upload. Okay, so you don't forget that your aspect ratio must always be 16 to 9, or landscape, as you want to put it. Okay, and then the use of DSLR is also important. Okay, so that at the end of the day you are getting a kind of quality result, okay, for each of those image generation that you do. Okay, so like I said, that you will need an image generator to be able to get your images for all for this project. Okay, for me, I decided to use Perplexity, because Perplexity has this quality, okay, in terms of image generation. Okay, now I've just been able to generate each of the images for each scene. Okay, now this is for scene 1. You can see Requel, stretching up, getting out of bed and stretching out. And then we have that of 2, okay, doing a press up, press down, doing a press up and down in the street. And then we have in the gym. Okay, this is another one of the scenes where she's checking mails from the mailbox. All right, and then you see her in a study, okay, trying to work on a laptop. Okay, and then you see her in a kitchen trying to prepare something for a breakfast. And then we have her freshening up and trying to get her day started. Trying to get herself prepared for the office. And here we have her all dressed up, okay, in official dress, and putting on an office, a black office shoe, an official shoe, okay. And then we have, and we have her in a car trying to drive all the way to our office. And then here we have her walking into our office, and then we have another part of her seated on a desk and ready to roll for the day at the office. Now, one of the things you will see is that there is this consistency, okay, character consistency in all the images that we generated for this project. Okay, so that is the beauty of you working with your chatbot, and then you been detailed, okay, about how the result you want to achieve at the end of the day. You see from the first image generation, you can see that the character consistency was there all through. Okay, and that is how it should be. All right, and Perplexity is one of these image generator that if you're looking for what you're looking for, that quality in terms of image generation, you can always make use of Perplexity. And you can see how beautiful the pictures are looking. All right, and for your information, this one is the 12 months free use of Perplexity. And in the previous video I made, I told us how we can be able to get that. So if you missed the last video I posted, please do watch that, so that you can be able to listen to how you can be able to get access to Perplexity for 12 months for free. You'll be able to use Perplexity for free for the space of 12 months without you paying anything. And whatever image you are generating from there is a quality one, okay, aside other benefits that you will get from there. So without wasting much of our time anymore, let's go ahead and then turn these images into video, okay, and after which we are going to edit, bring all this video together on a video editing platform or app, and then we are good to go. Okay, so stick with me while I quickly make a video for each of these pictures. All right, you're welcome back. If you're still with me now, we have been able to convert our images to videos, but because of time and with the fact that the image generate the image I mean the platform that I use to convert my image to video is a free one, so it's taking a while to be able to do the conversion of each images, and because of this I will not be able to do all, so I just did a few of them, and these are the videos I was able to do with the few images I converted. So this is the first one, stretching out herself, and then this is the second one while she was doing a press up on the street, and then this is the third one when she was lifting a weight. All right, so I just try to do these three of them, and if you are thinking of an image, I mean a platform where you can convert your image to video, you can use this particular one. Okay, I think it's something that we are all familiar with. Okay, it's a platform that we are all familiar with. It is called Hailuo. Okay, Hailuo is a platform that you would enjoy using when converting your images to video, and it's a very good one, and it's also for free. All you have to do is to register, and then you are given 200 coins that you can use for image generation, and I think that 200 coins should be for a month or so. I can't really tell, but that is just it. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is take all the images that we've converted to video, that is to say that the videos we now have, we'll take them to our video editing platform. Okay, like I want to use CapCut, and then we can go ahead and do all the editing that we want to do, and that is just it. And like you watched earlier, you saw the one I was able to do, okay, using the same system, and it was wonderful. You can see the outcome came out so good of Kim Young. Okay, so if you didn't watch it, okay, try as much as possible to watch it. So that is something that you can create when talking about how to create a vlog. Okay, and this can go viral, can help your platform, your platform, or whatever niche that you are making to go that viral. Okay, and so that will be where I'll be drawing the curtain because of time, and because I don't want this video to stay that long. And until I come your way again, I remain your very host. Stay safe, and do have a wonderful new year in advance. Bye for now.
Welcome back from the training. Hope you learned something in class today. If you're really finding the tutorials interesting, like, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification bell for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.